Perfect.
মুখ দেখা যাচ্ছে তো, দেখ তো।
পুরো
बज रहा है 7:30 शाम का और देख के लग रहा है कि 10-11 बज चुका है। अंधेरा ही अंधेरा है। हम लोग हैं कोटागिरी के कॉटेज में। ये प्लेस ऊटी और कुन्नूर के काफ़ी पहले डिस्कवर हुआ था और जस्ट 28 किलोमीटर्स दूर है ऊटी यहाँ से। और
29 ऑन रोड बाय रोड सॉरी।
हाँ, और बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है। हर तरफ सिर्फ ग्रीनरी है क्योंकि ये टी प्लांटेशन के लिए बहुत ही फेमस है ये जगह। और हर जगह सिर्फ टेरेस फार्मिंग है। हम लोग बहुत सारा कैबेज भी देखे रास्ते में। कुन्नूर और ऊटी के हर तरफ हिल्स है, बट कोटागिरी के हर तरफ हिल्स नहीं है, इसीलिए यहाँ पर फ्रेश एयर का जो परसेंटेज है वो काफ़ी हाई है। इसीलिए हम लोग जितना भी घूमे सिर्फ कूल एयर और फ्रेश एयर मिला, हाईली ऑक्सीजनेटेड।
Also guys, we started our journey from Coimbatore. Like currently we are staying at Coimbatore, so we started our journey in the morning around 10 o'clock. So we plan to start early, but sorry guys, we can't wake up on time, so that is the reason we had to start our journey little late. But as because there was some storm and rain last night, so even though it was 10 o'clock in the morning, but the weather was really cool in Coimbatore also. So without any problem we started our journey from our house in Coimbatore. So by 1 o'clock we reached to this place. It is a small hill station, but if you go look over the internet, you will see that this is one of the biggest hill stations in Tamil Nadu. The reason why it is not so much popular, it is because this place doesn't have so many sightseeing places. Mostly people, the localites over here will be busy in cultivation, tea plantations.
No crowd at all.
No crowd. Only there will be, this place will be crowded only during the peak seasons. Apart from that, there will be population will be mostly contributing by the localites over here, and their main occupation is tea plantations. And they are also agriculture also, because while taking a small tour of this hill station today in the afternoon, we saw people here cultivating all organic cabbage, cauliflowers, carrots, and it is really fresh. See, beans, whenever you will be seeing the color of those vegetables, you will get to understand that it is really organic. They have not mixed it with any color, artificial preservatives or pesticides. Literally, from seeing those vegetables and their growth, one can clearly infer how come these people are having such a long lifespan over here. And the second reason is that honestly, I would like to tell you, if any one of you are planning to come here to in a thinking or in an imagination that you will get to see so many sightseeing places over here, then I'm really very sorry guys, there's nothing such over here. Only 2 to 3 most popular points are there. Out of that, most of them has been restricted by the forest departments. I don't know, they were saying this is some the restrictions is a part of their some ongoing project, but I had a conversation with the forest ranger over there, seeing his after listening to his explanation, I really couldn't understand much about what is their plan and why they are restricting the tourists. So like they are saying like the government will be very soon resuming the entry of the tourists to those places. So today like we could only visit only one point, that is like a viewpoint. From there the view is really awesome. So to visit to that place and other things what we covered after visiting there will be giving out in another video in much details. So today, like after talking to our hotel manager, we are currently right now in the hotel. So he also said like at this time, only one tourist spot is open for the tourist. That we have already covered in the evening, and rest everything are closed, not allowed for tourist entertainment. So secondly, yeah, now the good thing is that right now here the temperature is 11 degrees Celsius. So like you can really feel the chillness of the weather.
यहाँ आने का रास्ता भी काफ़ी अच्छा था। लाइक हेयरपिन बेंड्स था कहीं कहीं पर, जो कि बहुत डेंजरस लग रहा था, स्पेशली जब टर्निंग ले रहे थे तब। कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था उधर से कौन सा बस, और बसेस बहुत स्पीड में आता है यहाँ पर। तो हर बेंड के टाइम पे हम लोग हॉर्न बजा रहे थे रास्ते में, बट रास्ता काफ़ी अच्छा था और बहुत सारा मंकीज़ देखने को मिला हम लोगों को आज। रास्ते के दोनों तरफ मंकीज बैठे हुए थे, उन लोगों का फैमिली और चिल्ड्रंस के साथ, जो बहुत ही क्यूट था। और एक स्पॉट था जहाँ पर हम लोग फ़ोटो क्लिक करने गए थे, लेकिन जहाँ भी हम लोग जा रहे थे वहीं पर मंकी आ जा रहा था पीछे से। तो इसीलिए हम लोग बहुत धीरे धीरे फिर चल के पॉज करके फ़ोटोज़ लिए अपने। और अब हम लोग आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं सिटी, जो काफ़ी अभी लाइट जल चुका है। इतना टाइम तक बहुत अंधेरा था, हम लोग को लग रहा था कि यहाँ रोड पे एक भी लाइट क्यों नहीं है, पर अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। बस सिटी देखा, यहाँ से सिर्फ इतना ही दिख रहा है। ये है कोटागिरी सिटी, और वाह, वो स्काई में कुछ हो रहा है।
It's raining somewhere in Coimbatore, I think.
Yeah.
Friends, in this place you can see the cottage owner, like he's kind of deep animal lover actually. Like in this entire cottage, this area is really very big. It's super duper big kind actually, because in one part we are in the backyard right now. So over here you can see this building. This is their cottage. Its name is Blair's Cottage. Just behind it you will see the Blair's Resort. We'll make you walk through the video of that place also. And in this backyard he will be keeping all his animals, pets actually. Here he will be having ducks in the morning for small children to play. This area has been decorated, and like there, this is the cottage. But for like initially when we came here, we thought like we'll be booking this cottage, but after coming here, like we came to know from the manager that this cottage is having two sections. So one section they are allowing only 10 people, and in another section minimum of 6 people. So if you guys are coming in a group of minimum of 6 people, then only you can make a booking for this cottage, or else they will not allow you, because we are only 2 people here. So like they didn't allow us to book the cottage, because either of 10 people or 6 people, not less than that.
पहुंच चुके हैं हम लोग कॉटेज में, जा रहे हैं ऊपर। ये कॉटेज बहुत ही क्यूट है। यहाँ पर वाईफाई फैसिलिटी भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत स्पीड में चल रहा है वाईफाई। और ये देखिए हम लोग के रूम के साथ एक बैल्कनी भी है जहाँ से व्यू भी काफ़ी अच्छा है। सामने सब हिल्स, फ्लावर्स, प्लांट सब दिख रहा है। आप लोगों को दिखाता है बैल्कनी का व्यू पॉइंट। चलिए চশমাটা পরবো।